Well, good day, y'all, and welcome to a new edition of TripleChip's Down the Hatch 2, where this is the final one in our Season 1 Pizza Week series. This will be pizza number 5, and this is the Casa de Maya by Dr. Oetker, and this time it's going to be the 3 meats. It's got pepperoni, ham, and Italian sausage. So this is the final one for the pizza series, but we'll be doing other ones down the road, but we'll just take a break for pizza for a while. So this one, same as the others, we're going to take that oven up to 480. Just get that up to 480. Oh, too high. 480 start. Oh, and boom, we're already there. Isn't that movie magic? So we're just going to take this out of the box. We're going to cook this guy for 12, or this one, wow, this one's longer than the other one, Casa de Maya. Probably because there's more meat. 14 to 16 minutes. And don't worry if you don't have parchment paper. There's some included with this on all these Dr. Oetker so far. Just been very impressed with these companies so far. It's not a really big pizza, but a very tasty pizza. So that's the 3 meat. You see on the bottom. Whoop, some fun for the kids. You get another free frisbee. And we lost the section of meat here. Whoop. Grab that out of there. Some sausages. We'll just break those up. Spread them around a little more evenly. At least they give you a fair portion of meat on this one. You can see on the bottom, you do have your parchment paper on the bottom here, just to keep it from sticking to the pan. So we're already at 480. So let's throw this in. Do that right now. Cook that for, we'll put it for 15 minutes because it says 14 to 16. Wait, it gives you 1 minute lead time there. So 14 to 16. Be right back with you guys as soon as this is done cooking. Stay tuned for more Down the Hatch 2. Okay, and we're back. The timer just went off a couple seconds ago, so we're just going to throw on the gloves and remove the pizza out of the oven. Always make sure you're wearing gloves because it's very hot. And that's what we're dealing with. Well, you can just see it sizzling still. Get that up there. It's really hot. Turn the stove off now. Just going to get some pot holders because that seemed easier for cutting the pizza. First incision here. Boy, that is really tough to hold without moving around. Okay. Not through yet. There we go. Okay, rotate this. I think I'm just going to do this one in 4. Just difficult to hold. Burn my fingers. Actually, I'll cut it into, make these into nice little bite-sized pieces. Okay, 2 more cuts and we have her here. Oh, losing some toppings there. Okay, it sounds really crispy. And final cut. And boom, we're through it. Not so much. Oh, you can really smell that ham and stuff on there. Get a little piece of this. See, it's not burnt or nothing, it's just really crispy. Ooh. Check that out. I put that down and burn in my hand. So let's let that cool for a couple seconds. It's extremely hot. Well, hopefully you guys have been enjoying these pizza ones. If you have other stuff you'd like to see me cook, just mention it in the comments. But I just thought pizza, everybody loves pizza, so we'll do a pizza week. But I will have other seasons of pizza where I'll be showcasing other pizzas, whatever ones I find out there that are new on the market. So, but this is the final episode of season 1 of the pizza vlog series. So let's try out this goodness. And this one was ham, sausage, and pepperoni. So we're going in for the first bite. Ooh. That was good. Really hot though, but really good. Oh. Woo. I had to swallow that one. That one was burning my mouth. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Really show you care. And for future notifications, make sure you ring that bell icon. And make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day. Happy eating. Vlog over. Well, if you enjoyed this vlog, why not check out some of my other ones? Just click on the links below, the pictures here. If it's got my picture, that's the subscribe button. Click on those and it'll take you into other vlogs or the playlists. Until next time, have a great day.